Hello friends, what we are seeing over here is the Hindalco chart. Now if you notice on the Hindalco's weekly chart that is displayed over here, you should be able to notice this as a gap here at around 80, 91 or 92 to nearly almost till 100. There was a gap, rising gap. And this rising gap is going to act as a support for any future falls that would ever come. Now if you notice furthermore, over here again there is a gap. Can you see? There is a gap. This gap I'm talking about. There is again a rising gap, and this rising gap is of 162. This rising gap was found at 162, almost 162 level. Now again this rising gap is going to be there to act as a support in any future falls of the price. If you notice here, there is a one very important thing to be taken care of now. This is a weekly chart, and see there was a top which was made over here, and look at this top with this RSI. This is the top made by the RSI, and now the prices are all again rising, and they are now again making a top at around 168. Notice how RSI now started failing to correspond with this top. Now this is my major concern. This is what is called as divergence, when the prices rises high but the indicators does not rise high. So there is a negative divergence in this thing, which is suggestive that very soon we should see Hindalco making a bottom. So taking this technical aspect into mind, I would be now becoming cautious and would strictly put my stop loss, raise the bar, and strictly take a look at my stop losses. Now it does not at the present time means that you should become short on the stock, but yes, you should be more carefully watching the Hindalco price movement. Again, where we should expect the bottom to come, expect the top to come up. Now this is a daily chart. I have just shifted my frame from weekly to daily. See here, if you notice, we were already, there was a resistance at this zone, bullish engulfing. Now there was a resistance which was made, and we have been able to close successfully very well above this particular line. If you notice this line I'm talking about, we have been able to close successfully above this line, given a close above this line. So in the present time and on a daily chart, there is no such thing to be careful. Everything seems to be smooth. We are noticing RSI is still not oversold, Stoch is also not oversold. So we have got that space of movement, and due to this space of movement, I am expecting the prices to touch somewhere around 180, 175 plus. But remember, in the weekly chart there was a caution coming up. So in few weeks from now, maybe today is basically 8th November, and maybe we should see this particular stock topping up. So be cautious, expect a target of 180 plus to be there, and then go short with strict go short. Just watch at that time. We will come back with this. Thank you so much.